Hello, sister. Good morning.
Hello, everyone. This is we follow LIANGMAI, and we are live from ANAI Plus School ground. So I hope every one of you enjoy our YouTube vlog from JS Dreamer. And first of all, I'm so glad and happy to be here today because the weather was perfect, and including all the ground was so beautiful today. So what can I say? I'm so nervous today.
Hello.
I am with me to my friend who follow LIANGMAI. And today we are here at ANAI Plus School.
Yes.
One of the best school in Manipur.
This is live from ANAI Play School. Today we have football penalties organized by DM college student. This is beautiful compound, and here's my sir. Here's composer. Wow, look at this, beautiful everywhere. This is all the players ready for penalty. MU students.
MU. Oh no!
Oh, DMU. Oh, sorry. Hello everyone, good morning. This is live from ANAI Play School, and today we have penalty shootout organized from DMU LIANGMAI student. And thank you everyone for coming. We have a short time. In a short period of time, we are going to start our penalty shootout. So, Hazik Lakpiliba is now Agimarosing. Nung siduna registration tawdaba missing do lakraga tabiyo hena Mike Kondegi ningsing dari. All the team captain, please come on the stage. In a short period of time, we have penalty shootout. So to all the team members, please come on the stage. Mimia, Mazik of you, team captain. Azi akoy penalty shootout tourney. Okay, matamahan ba yaroy? So. Kaya sila kaya. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Abhijit team versus Singrahongena. It was won by Abhijit team. And now we have Lumsa Abu team versus Chundira. Lumsa Abu team. This will be the last match for pre-quarter. This will be the last match for pre-quarter, which will be played by Musa Agu versus Chundira. The match will carry on with the quarter. This is RNFC. Chundirambi versus RNFC.
Come on. J streamer phone mo direct YouTube ka. So actress win. Yes, remember. Ben. Ngắm này.
Sorry guys. Làm gì bây giờ? Làm thế nào vậy? Come in. Here. Oh, man.
Easy, woman, easy.
Versus Chundiram A, it was won by Lumsa Abu team. And we have quarter mate, which will be
Sep. Last penalty kick.
Nasa na hari tu boy na. Ikaw boy mati. May way tu.
This is Sigma FC. It was won by RNFC. Anh mặc đội siêu de lau piu.
Thank you, Manipur University. Oh, sorry. MU.
Manjuri University Liangmai na penalty shootout in aid of fundraise. It was won by RNFC.
Woo!
And the second goes to Sigma FC.
Woo!